Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the circuit breaker off and testing the wires with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once confirmed dead, remove the shade or trim and expose the canopy screws. You need clear access. Next, support the fixture with one hand while you loosen the mounting screws so it won't fall. Make sure to keep small parts in a container and note how the bracket sits. This prevents confusion when you transfer the new fixture's mounting plate. With the fixture supported, disconnect the wire nuts and label each conductor, hot, neutral, and ground, so you know which goes where on the replacement. Once done, inspect the house wires for nicks. If insulation is damaged, cut and strip about 1/2 inch to expose clean copper. Now fasten the new mounting bracket to the electrical box and feed the labeled supply wires through the center hole so they're ready for connection. This organized approach connect matching conductors, hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and secure the ground to the box or bracket. Twist on new wire nuts and tug gently to confirm mechanical integrity. Once connected, tuck the wires neatly into the box, raise and secure the canopy with screws, then reinstall the shade or bulb. After everything's fastened, restore power at the breaker and test the fixture. If it doesn't light, make sure the breaker is on and use your tester to verify voltage. Loose connection or miswired lead is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.